Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Can you please give me your resume?
Yes.
What's your name?
Shahina.
Okay, Shahina. Can I know yourself?
Yeah. Uh, First of all, thanks for giving me the opportunity to tell something about myself. As you know, my name is Shahina and I came from Guntur. Currently, I am living in Hyderabad. I completed my graduation with Electronics and Communication Engineering stream with aggregate of 7.1 GPA in Guntur Engineering College in Guntur. And currently, I am learning manual testing and core Java in SP Global Solutions. And in my family, we have four members: my father, mother, and I have one younger brother and one younger sister. During my graduation, along with my graduation, I have done a project on real-time digital notice board. During my project, I have discovered myself as a good team player. Thank you.
Okay, coming to core Java. What is OOPS?
Oops. It is a object-oriented programming language. It follows four principles: encapsulation, absorption, inheritance, and polymorphism.
Okay. And what is encapsulation? Tell me the real-time example of encapsulation.
Okay, ma'am. Encapsulation means combining the code and data in a single unit is called encapsulation. For example, diamond is a real-time example. Because diamond is a precious thing, we cannot throw anywhere. We will keep in a locker. Same as like that, we store code in a like a code in a locker. So that's why it gives code security more.
Okay. And tell me the real-time example of inheritance.
Inheritance. Inheritance means the properties. One class gives the properties to another class is called inheritance. For example, here, like uh, like we are getting property from our parents, right? That is, it understands inheritance.
Okay. How many types are there in inheritance?
In inheritance, we have four types, ma'am: single, hierarchical, multi-level, and hybrid.
What is hybrid inheritance?
Hybrid inheritance means combination of single, hierarchical, and multi-level.
Okay. Abstraction also one of the OOPS concept, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the real-time example of abstraction.
The real time of abstraction is car engine, we can say, because the definition of abstraction is showing the essential features and hiding the background details. So for driving a car, we no need to know about the internal structure of the car. We just need to know how to start the car and how to accelerate. These things are enough.
Okay. And tell me the real-time example of polymorphism.
Yeah, polymorphism. It means in different situations it behaves in different ways, ma'am. For example, if you take a person, he behaves like an employee in the company, and behaves like a son to his mother and father. He behaves like a father to his children.
Okay. How many types of polymorphism are there?
Two types, ma'am:
What are those?
static and dynamic.
Okay. In static, explain static polymorphism.
Polymorphism is done during compile time by following the method overloading concept.
What is method overloading?
Method overloading means it's having different parameters. Method name is same and having different parameters.
Okay. Explain dynamic polymorphism.
Dynamic polymorphism is done at runtime through method overriding concept.
Okay. What is method overriding?
In method overriding, redefining the functionality of the parent class to child class.
What is the advantages of polymorphism?
Polymorphism.
Okay. And explain the static keyword.
Static.
Okay. Tell me few names and access modifiers.
Private, public, default, and protect.
Okay. Explain what is a private, how we can access private access modifier, where we can
Actually,
access.
private is access in inside the class and
Okay.
outside the class. Inside the package and outside is not possible.
Okay.
Outside the package is also not possible. Only inside the class is possible.
Okay. And in public, where we can access.
Everywhere, ma'am. It is acceptable in everywhere. Everywhere, inside, outside, and inside the package and outside the package.
Okay. And how many non-access modifiers are there?
Three, ma'am.
Only three. What are those?
They are static, final, abstract.
Okay. Explain final access modifier.
Final access, final is a keyword in Java. It is used when we use final keyword for variables. Where variable cannot be changed. If you use for methods, it cannot be overridden. If you use for classes, it cannot be inherited.
Okay. Cannot be here. Okay. And you learn manual testing also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to manual testing, what is testing?
Testing means it is the process of finding the mistake in a code is called testing.
Is testing. Mistake. What is mistake?
Mistake means man-made errors.
Okay. Man-made error. Okay. And how many types of testings are there?
Manual and automation.
Manual and automation. What is the differences between manual and automation?
Manual means testing an application by human interactions is called manual testing. For example, you can say washing clothes by hands. If you come across automation testing, by using a tool, we test the application. For example, washing machine utensils.
Okay. And means what is a bug?
Bug, the developer accepted error. Error accepted by the developer is called a bug.
What is error?
Error means during developing, if the developer finds any mistake, is called error.
Okay. And find any error is called
Any mistake is called error.
error. Okay. Okay, fine. Next, what explain agile methodology?
Agile process, yeah, it is a iterative and incremental process of approach. It's having agile principles. It here it is the duration of agile process is 2 to 4 weeks. If any changes came from the customer, it is easy to change, and from initial onwards, the customer will stay with the developing team and testing team parallel.
Okay. You know about the sprint? What is sprint?
Sprint time period, ma'am. It's having 2 to 4 weeks of time. This is called sprint.
Okay. And what is in manual testing? What we are done in manual testing, like
Validation and verification we will do.
okay. What is verification?
Verification means during development, if you do any testing, is called verification. That is a white box testing. You can say verification. And after coding, during the test time, we will do validation.
Okay.
That is black box testing.
Okay. And what is test case?
Test case, priority, based upon priority severity, we will test.
Okay. And okay, Shahina, we will get back to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.